Hi everyone, we're going to try something new today. I've never done this before, so we're going to give it our best shot. So, first things first, we have a fraction on the board, and it's a little bit different than anything we've done before. This is what's called a mixed number, and it's called a mixed number because we have a whole number as well as a fraction. And I did my best to draw these, but as you guys know, I'm not an artist, so you'll have to give me a little bit of slack. Now, we're going to do something cool with this. We're going to represent these numbers with our fraction bars, and I'm going to actually show you how to do this. So, I'm going to add one of our fraction bars down here, and we're going to say it has 8 parts. Now, we can actually show our whole number here as a fraction bar with 8 parts. Now, if we have a whole, it's going to be 8 out of 8. So, I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to fill in my 8 boxes. Now, that's not all we have though. We have another piece of our mixed number. We have our actual fraction. Now, our actual fraction has 8 parts as well. So, but it's not a full fraction because it only has our 3 at our denominator, or our numerator. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, our numerator. So we're going to go down here and fill out 1, 2, 3, and we're going to stop there because our numerator is 3 and our total is 8, and that's our denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to do the same general thing to this next one. So our denominator is still 8. So we're going to put that in. And now we have 2 here. So we're actually going to have to put 2 of these. Whoops. Let me delete that. Still getting used to this program, so we're going to have 2 of these, and they're both going to be 8. And we're actually going to fill in each one, and that's going to represent 2. But remember, we have 1/8 left over, so we need to add one more, and that's going to be this one. We still have our denominator of 8, but we only have 1 that is left over. Now we're going to throw in an equal sign here. And we're going to actually show our full answer with our fraction bars. We're going to use a different color. I like this one. So our denominator is still 8, so this one's still going to be 8. But notice we have 1, 2, 3 whole numbers. So I'm going to have to add another one of these, denominator of 8, and another one of these, and our denominator is going to be 8. Now, when we're doing this, we're going to show all of these because our full whole number is going to be 3. And we can see that right here. 1, 2, 3. And that's these 3 that we have. Now we still have some left over. So we're going to add one more of these down here, denominator of 8. But in this time, we only have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can show our final answer right up here. So this is our final answer. And we have 1, 2, 3 whole fractions. So that means our whole number is going to be 3. But we still have a fraction. And this fraction is 1, 2, 3, 4 as our numerator out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So that is one way that we can accomplish this. I'm going to show you another way in just a second. So I wrote another problem on another piece of paper here. And we can actually break this problem apart. We can break it up into our whole numbers and break it up into our fractions. I'm going to do that here. I'm going to try my best at least. So our whole number here is 2. And our whole number here is 1. And we know 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Pretty easy. Now, our fraction is 4/5. We're going to put our fraction here. minus our other fraction of 1/5. And we know that when we're subtracting fractions, we only subtract our top numbers, which are our numerators. Our denominators stay the same. So 5 is going to continue down here. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now, to actually find our answer here, we're going to put this number and this number together right here. And that is going to be 1 and 3/5. Awesome. Well, I hope this helped you guys, and you feel free to pause it at any time to work on this. So let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye.